Most people waste so much money in their 20s without even realizing it. If you can avoid these 5 traps, you'll be way ahead of everyone else financially. The moment salary increases, people start spending more. New phone, fancy clothes, weekend parties. But the truth is, lifestyle upgrades kill your savings. Remember, increase your savings with your income, not your expenses. Credit cards look easy, but that minimum payment option is a trap. You'll keep paying interest and your debt will grow like crazy. If you can't pay full, don't swipe it. Many people think investing is for later, but the earlier you start, the more compounding works for you. Even small amounts in mutual funds or index funds can grow huge in the long run. One sudden medical bill or job loss, and your whole savings is gone. That's why you should always keep 3 to 6 months of expenses aside in a separate account. Most overspending happens just to keep up with friends, gadgets, trips, parties, but flexing now won't build your future. Focus on assets, not just expenses. Your 20s decide how strong your 30s will be. Avoid these traps now, and your future self will thank you. For more smart money tips, hit that subscribe.